Let's go and play Pikachu versus Red. Oh dude, where is he? Oh crap, I'm gonna fall, no. This is crazy. This is hard, dang. Destroy him. Destroy him, yeah. What the heck, I gotta go up. No, I can't go up. Ah, dude, he beat me. What the heck? This is crazy.
Versus Pikachu.
Versus Pikachu.
Ready?
Oh god. Pikachu versus Pikachu, no! Ah, this is hard. I have to go against my same person. Pikachu versus Pikachu, what the fuck? Yes, whoop his ass. Oh dude, I'm falling. Oh, this is hard. Oh no, I'm falling off. This is crazy, guys, go. Oh shit. No, he's killing me. Ah, dude. He beat me, no! I'm back again, yeah. He's kicking my butt. Oh, dude, I got him. Yes, knock him off. Oh, dude, he's gonna get me. This is crazy, yeah. Oh, crap. Dang, this is crazy, guys. Oh, fuck. Pikachu's beating Pikachu. I'm losing to myself. Where is he? How's he get the fire? How did I want to kick his butt? How did I got him? Yes! How did I get him? I get the hang of it now. It's on now. Oh, I threw him out of the map. No, I want it. Yes. Yes, dude, I got him. Oh, what the heck? No. You beat me. I'm back again. I get another chance. This is hard, guys. Whoa. Yes, game. Yes, I won. Stage 3, boys. I'm the shit. I'll stop it here.